Hi everyone, welcome you all to my new lecture. In this problem, it is given that a hexagonal pyramid base side 30 mm and altitude 70 mm, that is axis length is 75 mm, and it is rest on its one of its base edge. So condition given is edge resting, and the axis makes 30 degree to HP. If the axis makes 30 degree to HP, then you can assume that the axis is perpendicular to HP. So once the axis is perpendicular to HP, where your true shape will come, your true shape will be appeared in the top view, and the true shape will come below the XY line. So let me draw the XY line and the true shape with the resting condition, that is edge resting. Edge has to be kept in the left hand side. Here I kept the edge at the left hand side, and I am going to mark all the points, that is this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this is D, this is E, this is F. Now since it is a pyramid, you have to find out the center point, and you have to make all the points, all the other corners connected to my center point. So these represent the slant edges. So now you have to project all your points to upwards. So once you project all the points, name the points. This is point A dash, this is F dash, and B dash, C dash, here D dash will come, and here E dash will come. Now extend the center point, that is O point, with the center line marking. So this is my O point, and at the axis height 70 mm you make the point O dash. Now connect this O dash with all edges, that is all corners. So connected all the corners with dark lines, that is with continuous lines, I'm sorry. So now you have to tilt the front view, that is now you have to tilt the axis to an angle of 30 degree. So now to tilt the axis 30 degree, I already told you, that is this is point A1 dash, this is point F1 dash, and if the axis angle is 30 degree, my base angle will be 60 degree. So make the angle 60 degree. You should not mark this 60 degree, you have to mark this 30 degree only, since it is given in the problem. Now mark all the points. So this point is C1 dash, this is D1 dash. Similarly, the center point will be B1 dash and E1 dash. From the center point you draw the vertical line, that is this OB line. This OB line height is 70 mm. Now connect this point O1 dash with C1 dash and A1 dash. Now you have tilted this view to an angle of 30 degree, that is this angle is 30 degree. Now you project all the point. This point has to be project downwards, this has to be this one and this one. Project all these corners horizontally. Project the O point horizontally, and these points horizontally, and this point also horizontally. Now mark the point O. So O point is here, this is O1. Now point A will come here, A1. Point B is here, B1. This is C1, and the point D1 will D1. This point is E1, this point is F1. Now you have to find out the visible edge and invisible edges. To find out the visible edge and invisible edge, what you have to do, you have to put your arrow mark to the opposite side of the resting point. This is my resting point, and to the opposite side of the resting point I am putting a arrow mark here. So this is my top extreme point, this is my bottom extreme point. So connect these top extreme point and the bottom extreme point through the point O. So that is I am going to connect this point to O and O to this point. So this is my imaginary line. So the edges between this imaginary line and the arrow mark are visible. So this is my imaginary line. These edges are visible. All other edges are invisible. Now what I am going to do is I am going to connect all the outer edge with H pencil. Now this is my outer edge. So OE is my outer edge. Similarly here OA is my outer edge, and here BC, CD and ED. These are all my outer edges. I connected the outer edges with H pencil. Now come to our point, that is shorter edges AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FA are the shorter edges, and longer edges are OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF. Now the edges ED is visible, that is DE is visible. It is already made with H pencil. Now CD is visible, already made with H pencil. BC is visible, BC is outer edge, already it is made with H pencil. Now come to the all other shorter edges, that is other than DE, CD, BC. So AB is a invisible edge. Connect this invisible edge with dashed lines. Similarly, EF is invisible. So EF is invisible. So again, FA is invisible. So then come to the longer edges. First one OA. So OA is here. So look at here. This edges OB is visible. So OB connected with H pencil. OC is visible. So OC has to be connected with H pencil. OC has to be connected with H pencil. Similarly, OD is a visible edge that has to be connected with H pencil. OD is visible, and OE is already outer edge and it is made with H pencil. Now all other edges, all other longer edges are invisible, that is OA. OA is a invisible edge. Similarly, OF is a invisible edge. That's all. You have solved the problem. Thank you.